Good morning. Okay, so this is the second day of my motivate myself mini vlog, and pasensya na kayo kung parang arte ko magsalita. Hindi ko napansin kahapon na pinanood ko yung video. Sabi ko parang arte ko magsalita kasi nga naka-braces, so nakakainis. But anyways, sana hindi kayo masyado ma-intimidate. But this is gonna be my second day of wait, pati na electric plug kami dito. So yeah, it's the second day of motivate myself. So sa mga just people who wanted to catch up, I'm just doing this video to motivate myself in doing more and doing things that I wanted to do na hindi ko pa nagagawa talaga siya before. I hope this video would help me to motivate, of course, myself, and I hope it would also motivate people like you. Yesterday, nung pinost ko yung caption ko and then I posted the video on YouTube link, I received a lot of comments, and actually there's a lot of people who's very close to my heart, and some friends na nag-comment doon, and I feel very supported and I'm really thankful for that. Post ko na lang yung mga comments nila dyan sa screen, and I just want to have a big shout out to you guys na thank you for all of those support, and it actually meant a lot to me. Right now, I'm currently working kasi work from home ako, and I actually woke up around 2:30 a.m. kanina because yung shift ko mag-start siya ng 3 o'clock, and I have to work I have to work 10 hours per shift. I work as a content moderator, and so for those people na have been asking me how long I've been in the BPO industry, quite some time. I actually started way back 2009, and then I worked consistently, but I took some time off as well. May mga times na tumigil din naman ako. Number one, the most common question is, kailangan ba magaling sa English? And I'm not gonna brag kasi di naman ganun kagaling talaga din yung English ko. But I'll be honest, way back 2009, bago ko nakapag-start to work sa call center, I actually tried to apply twice. And I actually failed. Sa mga hindi nakakilala sa akin, English is my favorite subject. And feeling ko, nung time na nag-apply ako, 2009, medyo breakwit pa nun. Nung nag-apply ako, I would actually, get hired and I would be accepted. But unfortunately, I actually applied for 2 call centers, but they actually failed me because of my grammar and mostly grammar yung naging issue sa akin. So, nung una medyo nahirapan ako kasi hindi matanggap ng ego ko na these guys are failing me, na parang hindi man lang ako nabigyan talaga ng chance to prove myself, pero nag-fail they actually failed me agad-agad upon initial interview. So sobrang ego ko, hindi ko napapansin, sobrang ego ko nun. I actually went mad, not actually with the person na nag-interview sa akin, pero nagalit ako, parang di na ako mag-work sa call center, never ako mag-work sa call center kasi may yabang pala mga tao dyan, feeling so kailangan lang pala magaling sa English. And that's actually yun yung pumasok sa isip ko na hindi na ako mag-work sa call center. I'll never work in a call center, and dahil sa ginawa nila sa akin, I was hurt actually. My ego was hurt. Personally, I got hurt. Favorite yung English subject, alam ko, kaya ko, pero they failed me. After that, I actually looked for another job. And then I work for Waffle Time. So mga di nakakilala, Waffle Time is one of the famous waffle stalls here in the Philippines. And nag-work ako sa factory, naging taga-timpla ako ng harina, taga-repack ako ng pinaka butter, taga-balat din ako ng sibuyas, taga-balat ako ng flavor like yung mangga, yung ube. So yun, nauwi ako sa from dreaming of working in a call center, nauwi ako sa taga-balat ng sibuyas, ng mangga. And during this time, I have a baby already. I have my firstborn, si Cloud. So maliit pa siya. And nagkaroon ako ng realization na parang, am I gonna be really a good dad, parent, na because of my ego, hindi ko na susubukang mag-work with a higher chance na magkaroon ng higher salary. Kasi when I was working with Waffle Time, syempre minimum ka nun, 2009, parang 400 plus lang yata yung sinasahod namin. It's sobrang kulang talaga siya, especially if you have a newborn, meron kang baby. So what I did is nilunok ko yung pride ko. I'm gonna give it one more try. So habang nag-work ako sa Waffle Time, I tried to work on my grammar. So, hindi naman ako naging ganun kagaling, pero I really tried to work on my grammar. And what I did is, I actually look for people na pwede ko silang makausap in English, so I can practice my English, my speaking skills. And then, magawa ko yung, sabi ko, makatulong na sana to sa pag nag-apply ako ulit after ko ma-end of contract sa Waffle Time. So big shout out to my mom, kasi yung mom ko ang nagtiyaga makipag-usap sa akin in English. English ko sa akin nakakausap, Tagalog niya ako sinasagot. So that's how I actually work it out. So ayun, I talk to her with my mom, and then I read more, I watch more without any subtitles to improve my hearing. And then 2009, after ko matapos end of contract sa Waffle Time, I tried to apply again, and that's in Teleperformance EDSA. And fortunately, I got hired. So alam niyo yung feeling na sobrang saya mo kasi nakuha mo yung trabaho. No? So from taga-balat ng Sibuyas, you're gonna be starting to work in an office, aircon, higher salary. Actually, the higher salary part is the one that excites me. There is a big realizations after that na if things are not working for you, maybe or most of the time, it's not because of may mga bagay na, it's not because of the other party, it's not because of the other side. Maybe you have to think about yourself. Tingnan mo yung sarili mo, baka nasa iyo yung problema. So during that time, my realizations, my ego, feeling ko galing-galing ko dun sa ibang kasabay kong mag-apply, but unfortunately I'm really bad at it. Sobrang talaga ako doon. And then I took some time to realize na there are things that I need to change on myself if I wanted to work in this industry. So ayun, I tried to study English. I tried to improve my English a lot, and tried to be humble enough to accept na hindi ako ganun kagaling. And that's what get me the job. So, I guess that's it for today. Wala akong papakitang video, but I hope you guys get motivated by this short video na I have. Actually, hindi nga short video to, parang 20 minutes lang kasalita. But I'm gonna make it short. See you tomorrow. Motivate yourself.
Walang forever.
Yo, what's up?